Today we'll see how to build the mini project report by using chatgpt. So when we will be building a report, we need a title. So to select the title or to find the name of the title, what we need to do is we need to go to the chatgpt, okay, and type 100 mini project titles in HR. So if you belongs to finance, if you belongs to marketing, if you belongs to hospital administration or IT, what you need to just put here IT, marketing, finance, production, etc. So you'll get a number of titles, that is you get 100 of titles here. So I'll just scroll it down so you can see the title coming up. Okay, if you put 1000 here, so it will give you 1000 titles. If you put more numbers, it will give you more number titles. Different titles can be obtained by ChatGPT. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll select this one as my title, first one as my title for the mini project. Okay, and I'll just paste it here and type introduction. So you can see I have got 100 titles here. So when I have selected one title and put introduction, so I'll get an introduction. If you get the introduction very short and you need a long introduction, request him to give long long introduction, okay, or long descriptions. So now I've got a very long introduction here. I need to read this, remove the paragraph which is not required. Okay, then what I'll do is I'll select study to objective references conclusion. I'm doing a shortcut, you need to do it one by one. Okay, and here I am pasting it. So ChatGPT has started building a report for me, but it's giving me a very short report. What I need to do is once I put one by one, all these things, then if I ask him for the detail, you'll get a long report. So this how, with the help of the ChatGPT, you can prepare your reports. While when you are in data presentation, that means you're in research methodology, you need primary data and secondary data. So chat gpt will give you an instructions how to make the graphs, that will be a pie chart or a bar, and then you need to design it. You need to put the questionnaire in the primary data or in the secondary data as per the guidelines, and you need to complete it.